Window frame rot is one of those annoying home problems that can sneak up on you and totally wreck your vibe if you're not careful about fixing it right away. So, first off, if you spot any soft or crumbly wood around your window frames, that is a huge red flag telling you rot is setting in. You want to start by scraping away all the loose, rotted wood with a chisel or a putty knife. Get it down to solid wood only. After that, sanding the edges smooth helps the repair stuff stick better and look cleaner. Next, grab a good wood preservative and slather it on the exposed wood to stop any future rot from creeping back in. For holes or missing chunks, use a wood filler or epoxy putty designed for outdoor use and shape it so it matches the frame's profile. Once that dries, sand it smooth again and slap on some paint or sealant that matches your window frame color. If the rot is super bad and the frame feels weak or wobbly, honestly replacing that whole section is way safer than trying to patch it up. Keep an eye on moisture sources too, like leaking gutters or condensation around your windows, because that's usually what causes the rot in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood window frame rot is ignoring the problem until it gets way worse, which just leads to more expensive repairs later on. Catching it early and treating it fast saves you big headaches. Another issue is not applying enough wood preservative or skipping it altogether. That stuff is key to stopping rot from coming back after you fix the damage. Lastly, using the wrong filler material or paint can make your repair fail quickly. Always pick products made for exterior wood and make sure they're compatible with each other so your work lasts. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix stuff without messing it up. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with people who need your skills so you can keep busy and growing your business.